Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to record your headset's view over Oculus Link. And please note that this only works when using your headset in PCVR mode and not standalone if you have a Quest or Quest 2. So first off, before you start the tutorial, you will need to have the Oculus app and OBS installed. If you haven't done so yet, you can find the download links in the description or Google them yourselves. And if you do, first open the Oculus app. And now we will have to connect our headset to our PC. If you don't know how to do so, I will show you right now. So put on your headset. On your headset, open the quick settings. If you want to use AirLink, make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PC. Then select the link menu. Make sure the slider is blue when you use AirLink or gray when you connect via cable. And then select your PC in the list. If you use a cable, it likely will just be named Rift, so select that. And then click on Launch and wait for your headset to connect. So now that your headset is connected, you can go back to your PC. On your PC, open the File Explorer, go to This PC, select your Windows drive, in most cases C, go on Program Files, Oculus, Support, here find and go to Oculus-Diagnostics, and in here you will find a couple of useful tools. The one we're interested in is OculusMirror.exe. If you don't see the .exe, that's fine, then Windows just doesn't show it. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut for it, right click onto it. If you're on Windows 11, click on Show More Options, and then in the drop down select Send to and Desktop. And now you'll find a shortcut on your desktop for the Oculus Mirror app. And now that we have done that, or not, we open the app. So if you did a shortcut, you can just double click on the shortcut. If not, you will have to always go back into this folder and click on the exe. So now that it opened, you should be able to see your VR view on your desktop. Now, if you click anywhere within the view window, you can bring up the menu bar, where under settings you can find many settings to adjust the view to your likings. I will just leave it as it is for the purposes of this video and continue. So now minimize the window and open OBS. And once OBS has opened, click on the plus under Sources and select Game Capture in the drop-down. You can give it any name you want. I will leave it default and click on OK. Now here, click next to Mode and select Capture Specific Window. And then you should see a new option called Window. Click on it and select the Oculus Mirror in the drop-down menu. Now you can just click on OK to confirm the choices and the window should close. So now we right click on the source we just created and it should be named whichever name you gave it, and then find Transform and click on Fit to Screen so that it resizes the source to the size of our recording. And that's it. Now you can just hit record in order to record your headset's view. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any further questions or feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments, and thanks for watching.